Number 3 is FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. In today's warp-speed world of creative fabrication, where imagination knows no bounds, the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 emerges as the ultimate maestro of multicolor printing. Unleash your wildest ideas with its groundbreaking independent dual extruder marvel. Crafted with care, its thoughtful design encapsulates innovation. The fully enclosed body, a cocoon of creativity, adapts to diverse temperature needs, while the sturdy all-metal frame forms a steadfast foundation for your 3D dreams. The 6.5mm thick alloy construction plates, both heated and transformation-resistant, sculpt your visions precisely. Marvel at the residue scraping design, a choreographed act that battles overflow blues during dual printing. No more color chaos, only clean, vivid masterpieces. The filament compatibility is a universe embracing PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, and PETG with open arms, encouraging your artistic spirit to roam free. Behold the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2, a symphony of technology and innovation, where every layer is a brushstroke of brilliance and every filament a hue in your palette. Dare to dream, design, and dazzle with the finest multicolor printing virtuoso. Your imagination has finally found its 3D stage. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.